It has been long thought that Mars is a geologically dead planet, with most of the volcanism occurring between 3 to 4 billion years ago. However, scientists discovered evidence of recent volcanic activity on Mars that shows eruptions could have taken place in the past 50,000 years. Using data from satellites orbiting Mars, researchers discovered a previously unknown volcanic deposit. The volcanic eruption produced a 12 kilometers wide, smooth, dark deposit surrounding a 30 kilometers long volcanic fissure. Further investigation showed that the properties, composition, and distribution of material match what would be expected for a pyroclastic eruption, which is an explosive eruption of magma driven by expanding gases. The site of the recent eruption is about 1,600 kilometers from NASA's InSight lander, which has been studying seismic activity on Mars since 2018. The lander detected 2 Marsquakes in the area, which also suggests the possibility that these could be due to the movement of magma deep underground.